Finally, as I conclude, on a light note, what you good people are doing and what I'm doing is good and is fine. Having response to deal with natural disasters is a calling and God's work. But dealing with man-made disasters is not fair. We deal with two types of problems in this continent: natural calamities, drought, famine, floods, and all. But we also deal with man-made disasters out of armed conflict in Africa. We are asking our brothers and sisters in the African continent to spare us from having to deal with the disasters and emergencies arising out of armed conflict as they fight for leadership and scarce resources.
Okay. Your Excellency, do you permit me?
Yeah, please. Now
before I forget.
You want to say something?
I need to translate that before I forget. En résumé, le vice-président dit que c'est très difficile de traiter les désastres tous les jours. Nous savons que nous avons les désastres naturels, par exemple la sécheresse, les inondations, etc. Mais ici, dans notre continent d'Afrique, nous allons affaire aux désastres liés aux conflits, mais les conflits qui sont parce que les hommes, les êtres humains sont en train de se battre, de se combattre pour le pouvoir, pour la politique. Et donc, c'est quelque chose que nous devons arrêter.
I think this lady must have some Kikuyu blood in her. The minute I said I can pay her for her service, she wants to continue and continue. She's a good businesswoman. So, that is why my boss, President William Ruto, is very keen on peace in southern Sudan, in Sudan, Ethiopia, DRC, across the Horn of Africa, because any insecurity, any conflict in our neighboring countries becomes a problem to our republic. That is why we have refugee camps in Dadaab, in Kakuma, everywhere. And it becomes a burden to this country in terms of resources and even destabilizes our own security.
Le président du pays kényan et le gouvernement de Kenya est très intéressé à traiter ou à arrêter les questions de conflit, les questions d'insécurité dans la sous-région, dans les pays voisinages comme le Sud-Soudan, le Soudan, l'Éthiopie, la Somalie, la RDC, parce que avec ces problèmes d'insécurité, des problèmes de conflit, ça pose aussi des problèmes dans des autres pays. Par exemple, ici au Kenya, voilà pourquoi nous avons les réfugiés, nous avons les camps de réfugiés à Dadaab, à Kakuma, et ce sont des problèmes qu'il faut traiter pour la survie des êtres humains ici.
The armed conflict in Sudan has greatly affected our exports of tea to Sudan and affected many Kenyans who are working in Sudan who have come back home. I call upon our brothers in Sudan, the generals, to lay down arms, enter into peaceful negotiations, and find a peaceful solution to whatever problems they have in Sudan.
Le conflit armé au Soudan continue à impacter de façon négative les pays voisinages. Le Kenya, par exemple, nos exportations de thé, les exportations de café ont été affectées, mais aussi les Kenyans qui travaillent dans la région, qui travaillent au Soudan ont été affectés, et d'autres pays aussi. Voilà pourquoi le gouvernement de Kenya fait appel aux personnes qui sont en train de se battre, d'arrêter et de chercher les solutions ou les stratégies de paix pour donner fin au conflit.
We do the same to the Democratic Republic of Congo, where we have had to send our soldiers to try to help the people of DRC to maintain peace. We call again all the armed combatants to give peace and dialogue a chance for the sake of their citizens and for the sake of peace, not just in their country, but in the region.
On fait le même appel aux personnes dans la RDC pour arrêter le conflit, arrêter de se battre et chercher les dialogues pour avoir de la paix, pour que les citoyens puissent avoir une vie normale.
With those very many remarks, I want to say I'm very honored and privileged to meet good people, because you people are good people. Many people will not do what you do. They'll ask for huge amounts of money. Yours is a great sacrifice. And I really have enjoyed working with the Red Cross. I look forward to working with you in combating the negative effects of climate change, in dealing with the possible adverse effects of El Nino. But I hope we shall not work together to deal with human man-made crisis. I pray we shall not have that opportunity.
Je suis très honorée d'être ici parmi vous. Je suis très contente de passer la soirée avec vous. Vous êtes de très bonnes personnes et le travail que vous faites comme la Croix-Rouge est très très apprécié. J'espère pouvoir continuer à travailler avec vous pour aider l'humanité, mais je ne voudrais pas travailler sur les questions de conflit parce que c'est une chose que nous devons arrêter. Nous voulons travailler sur les calamités naturelles comme le El Nino, mais nous devons arrêter les conflits et les problèmes grâce à l'homme.
I think I want to be fair to this gathering to allow you to enjoy the African cuisine that we were promised. And I can see the people in red half-coats ready. And I think continuing to speak more, I could annoy a few people, and I don't want to do that because you are here to have dinner, not to listen to too many speeches. But I needed to say that, and I want to thank you for listening to me. And I really want to say thank you very much for what you are doing for mankind, for what you are doing for humanity. God will pay you one day. Thank you very much. Asanteni sana.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency. We request you, with the kind permission, Your Excellency, that you remain on stage kindly. Let's appreciate His Excellency. Kindly, ladies and gentlemen, tumpigie makofi tafadhali. Asanteni sana. Merci, Your Excellency. Thank you so much, Your Excellency. It's now time for gifting. These people have really felt that you've taken your time to grace this occasion. And now, Your Excellency, allow me to invite on stage to join you the CEO Boma Pan-Africa, Dr. Abbas Gulet, together with the Kenya Red Cross Secretary General, Dr. Idris Ahmed, who are going to gift you, Your Excellency. There are two gifts. One gift is by the Kenya Red Cross Society, and the other one is by the Boma International Hospitality College, Your Excellency. Dr. take it up.
So, Your Excellency, this is the elephant, but this is the Red Cross elephant. A story is told of 4 blind men. Each one was asked to touch the elephant and describe the elephant. The one who touched the leg described the elephant as round and firm because he only touched the leg. That is the Red Cross. We are very firm when it comes to dealing with emergencies and supporting communities. The one who touched the belly described it as big and round. That is the Red Cross. We are big in every part of this globe. The one who touched the ear described it as soft and tender. That is the Red Cross. We are soft, tender to people at risk. Your Excellency, I present to you the Red Cross elephant.
Let's appreciate them, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, Dr. The next gift, kindly.
Yes, let's to Aisha and to him, Your Excellency.
Your Excellency, we are reminded of the late President Daniel Toroitich arap Moi.
Yes.
He said, a leader must have foresight like the giraffe.
Yes.
This is what we are hoping that you will have in providing leadership for us. Foresight, uone mbali sana. Asante sana, Your Excellency.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency. Tumpigie makofi tafadhali ya mwisho. Asante sana, Your Excellency. And right now, this great team is saying that dinner is now served. And we invite Daktari to take you